In this guide, I'll show you how to fix high ping or latency on your PS5. So the first thing you want to do is press the PlayStation button on your controller. Then we're going to go to power, and you want to turn off your PS5 fully. Then you also want to unplug the power from your modem and or router for 30 to 60 seconds, plug it back in, and boot up your PS5. Now this is going to clear the cache on both, which can improve your ping. So the next thing we're going to do is go to settings in the top right corner. Then we're going to go to network and scroll down, and we're going to go to setup internet connection. Now here's where you should see your Wi-Fi network, so press the options button on your controller. Now ideally you're always going to use a wired connection, as Wi-Fi is prone to interference and packet loss, which can increase your ping. But if you can't use a wired connection, if you're going to use Wi-Fi, go to Wi-Fi frequency bands, and if you're on the PS5, select 5 GHz only, and if you're on the PS5 Pro, select 6 GHz only. Now, if you experience any issues, you can always put this back to automatic, and you also want to ensure that your PS5 is as close to your router as possible if you're using Wi-Fi. This is due to the fact that if it's far away, this can cause interference, giving you packet loss and higher ping. Now we're going to go back to the home menu and press the PlayStation button on your controller, and you want to ensure that when you're playing games, you can go to downloads, make sure that these are paused, as this can also increase your ping as well. You can also try decreasing network congestion by reducing the number of devices using your home network. And besides that, if you go to specific games into their settings, sometimes you're able to adjust the matchmaking region, and you just want to ensure you're selecting the closest game server as possible. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.